What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh. Today we're gonna talk about a couple of Punjabi words. I would call it like those words which we don't use much. In some certain situation, there's few words we don't even use it in speaking. And I notice a lot of now native speaker who learn Punjabi, they use it a lot. So we're gonna talk about those words, all right? Actually, I talked about these words before as well, maybe in separate podcast episodes. But today we're gonna talk about in one episode. All right. And okay, the first word is chaunda or chauna. All right. So if you want to learn about this word chauna or chaunda, make sure you watch that word, that episode when I explain it. Chaunda or chauna means a want. All right. So if I tell you about this little bit briefly, like if I'm using a मैं, I would use chauna. If I'm using तुम, I still use chauna. If I'm using kind of O third person, I will use chaunda. All right, chaunda and chauna. I explain it detail in another video. You make sure you watch it. But anyway, so if you wanna say like, let's say I want to drink a coffee, right? So translation is going to be मैं coffee पीना चाहना. All right. And yeah, you can say that way. It's a correct sentence. There's nothing wrong about this thing, but we don't use it. I will say like मैं coffee पीनी है, मैं चाय पीनी है. If I wanna drink tea, I will say मैं चाय पीनी है. If I wanna eat apple, I will say मैं सेब खाना. All right. This is how I will say. I won't say like a मैं सेब खाना चाहना. Right. You can say that this is nothing wrong, but Punjabi people don't say that. If I'm talking like that, if I'm while I'm with my friends, I saw something. Let's say I saw fruits. Let's say a banana. I wanna say like I wanna eat banana. If I say मैं केला खाना चाहना, my friends are gonna laugh at me like, why the hell am I talking like that? All right. So I will say like मैं केला खाना or मैं केले खाने हैं. Kele means fruit. All right. So that kind of talk, mostly you learn through the books. In real life, for us, it's a weird. But yeah, if you're using, we can understand you are not Punjabi native speaker, but you need to understand like the way Punjabi people talk as well. So you would basically understand, or if you wanna speak much more natural, then you need to notice. We don't even use that one. Only some when we want to do some kind of bigger things, that time we would use. Let's say if I wanna say I want to go to South Africa, right? I would say मैं South Africa जाना चाहना. Now I'm using चाहना, so it's not weird. If I wanna talk about talk to my friends, then I would say मैं South Africa जाना चाहना. It's pretty normal. It's not like a because it's a bigger thing. When you want to do something bigger, that time we use it. Yeah, normal thing, daily, the thing you want to do, little thing, you want to drink tea, you want to play, you want to watch TV, that time we don't use want, all right? Uh, that time we don't use chauna or chaunda, all right? So, yeah, if I say, मैं TV देखना, it means I want to watch a TV, all right? Translation is going to be like that, but in the books, they won't tell you that one, all right? The way we talk. So yeah, I also explain it more about another episode. Make sure you look at that one. Anyway, the next word is kyonke. All right, kyonke means because. Um, so we use it, but very rarely in speaking. If I give an example, if you wanna say I didn't go to play because it was hot out there, right? So in Punjabi, it's going to be मैं खेडन नहीं गया क्योंकि गर्मी बहुत सी. मैं खेडन नहीं गया क्योंकि गर्मी बहुत सी. All right. So yeah, I won't say that like this. Uh, like I won't use क्योंकि basically. I would say it little differently. I would say मैं खेडन नहीं गर्मी बहुत सी ताइयों मैं खेडन नहीं गया. All right. गर्मी बहुत सी ताइयों मैं खेडन नहीं गया. So I would use ताइयों. All right. Tanyo means or tanyo ta. tanyo or tanyo, the same thing. It means that's why. All right. In English translation, it's going to be like it was so much hot weather. That's why I didn't go for play. So okay, now you can see both sentences are correct. You can use it because or you can say that's why same thing, but the formation is a little bit different. So the twist. So when people talk daily, so they always take tanyo or tanyota, right? They don't use kyunke. But if you was somebody speaking formal, maybe somebody interviewing somebody or somebody trying to explain something, that time they would use this one kyunke. But if you're talking, if you see the people who are talking every day, they don't use it, right? Yeah, actually, it's totally fine. It's not like if you're using kyunke, it doesn't mean it's a weird. It's perfectly fine. You can use it, but most of the people in daily life they don't use it. All right, they use it different way, like a tanyota. Actually, these both words are different. It's not same thing. All right, tanyota it means that's why, and kyunke means because. All right. So yeah, this is the word kyunke people use very rarely in talking, like when they're just talking to friends. Okay, the next word which people don't use, that's hun. All right. So you see when somebody's when not speaking, like if you trying to learn Punjabi, so when it's a present tense, they are ending the sentence with the hun basically. When it's a plural, like o शहर जा रहे ਹਨ, they are going to the city. ओ शहर जा रहे ਹਨ. People don't use ਹਨ, right? They say ओ शहर जा रहे ਆ, जा रहे आ, all right? or जा रहे ने. So ਹਨ, there's nobody use it in speaking, all right? So same with the sun. Next word sun. Sun basically past. कल ओ शहर जा रहे sun, all right? Like they were going to city yesterday. So nobody use sun. It's for plural and only for the books. People all the time they're going to use see, all right? O share ja rahi see, even as a singular or even as a plural, all right? In the books, for plural as a sun ending and singular see ending, but in real life is see with singular and plural. By the way, some people have different accent. They are gonna use instead of C, they are gonna use T. All right. O bar gai T instead of O bar gai C. Right. Some people gonna O bar gai the, something like that. Little bit. Some people gonna say O bar gai sa, something like that. And so, but these Han and Sun, probably you know if you know some Punjabi. If you're completely beginner, maybe you don't know. But if you are elementary level or intermediate level, you know what I'm talking about. Han and Sun. In talking and speaking, nobody's use it. All right. Hai. Another word that's hai as well. It's present. It's used in present tense. For singular, nobody use it. Hai as well. And yeah, instead of have people use right? Like oh, instead of say oh kitte hai, like a where is he? Oh kitte hai. That's the book, textbook style. People say oh kitte hai, oh kitte hai. All right. Some people say oh kitte va. So this is how people are gonna talk in the real life. All right. And yeah, these are the words. When it comes to you speaking, first of all, however you want, you can speak that way. But it's very important for listening. When you're listening, so you can basically, I'm trying to teach you because you can expect what you can expect from Punjabi people while they are speaking, or if you're listening to them. All right. So yeah, these are the little things you need to basically know. And if you know these kind of things, yeah, it's gonna be easier for you. Anyway, I hope you learned something today, and I'll be back with another lesson another day.